from an investor perspective, what we can say is, what we love about embedded finance is it provides innovation in context, right? Because if you just innovate for the sake of innovation, this is more creativity than anything. And embedded finance is a natural progression for fintech, right? And because the biggest opportunity is not necessarily having a lending business or a payments business or whatever vertical you want to choose under fintech, it's actually how do you tackle money flows, right? And within a consumer context, which is, so I've heard the word experiences a number of times from the panelists here, and that's ultimately the bottom line, right? It is about customer-centric product design. How do you deliver the best customer experience possible within their lifestyle and the context in which they live, right? That's why we see this as a huge opportunity, and it's not necessarily tied to a certain company or a certain vertical, right? At the end of the day, if you take the agriculture sector or healthcare sector or education, etc., you're able to deliver solutions within that context at scale, okay, that generate value both from a commercial perspectives for the business, but at the same time for the user, and deliver this transformation required that impacts their everyday life, right? And whether that user is a B2C value proposition or a B2B value proposition. So I think what we'll increasingly see, and this is why we're very excited about the embedded finance space, is that the label of B2B and B2C would start to disappear with time, and we will see more companies that are taking the value chain end to end, right? So Fatura's today B2B, can this evolve? Absolutely. Lucky on the other side can evolve in a very similar way from B2C and backwards into the value chain. And at the end of the day, we'd love to think that we're in control, but we're not. The consumers are in control, and the trend is they want to see more convergence. They want to see more consolidation. Hence, what we're seeing today, the emergence of the super app idea. And I want to have my life, done. I don't need 100 apps to manage my life. I need, a more seamless user experience to be able to do that. And whoever can give me that is going to be the winner. So these are the backers. These are the people who are looking to back.